Hey everyone, it's Sandra Johnson and I am at 24197 Treasure Island Boulevard in South Punta Gorda, and 33955 is our zip here. And I am doing a open house with Deb Sestilio today, and I'm just kind of walking around the outside grounds because I wanted to give you a little look-see at what we're doing today. So anyway, this is the water that leads you out to, see that? Isn't that gorgeous? That leads you out to Charlotte Harbor and the little keys and islands beyond that, so you can start living your Florida lifestyle right away. This is our home that we are at today, and again, 24197 Treasure Island Boulevard, South Punta Gorda. It is 33955 is the zip, and that way you can find me on the map. And basically, we would love to see. We're here from 11 to 2. Home is about 2,600 square feet, has a finished out basement, in-ground pool, it's got a spa, 3 stories, just too many things to list and describe in a video. You got to come see it for yourself. But again, that right there, that's my favorite part, because I can basically go out and I can go boating out whenever I want to. Love it. So anyway, if you need to get a hold of me or find out any more information, I am at area code 512-917-9143, and we would love to see you today. Thanks and have a great day.